Hello, everyone. Welcome to Fijian Investment Trader, known as Fijian Trader. Hey, folks, Skywater, ticker symbol SKYT, has caught my attention. Yes, as for my long-term investment, which all my videos are done, which stocks I'm investing on, and I'm excited about this company because this company is phenomenal in terms of their growth. I'm doing this video during the stock market, right? Right now it's Friday, and we are about an hour and a half left for the market to close, and I'm excited why I am invested in this company. Folks, this company, Skywater, has major technology for healthcare, automotive, industrial, aerospace, and defense and consumer on technology or for their applications. There are so many steps this company is doing it and so much profitable, and we are about to go to the earnings. Before I talk on the technical side, folks, let's talk about what we have in play. Couple things. This company has a lot of inside bias, right? So Vanguard, Vanguard index funds, iShares, Final Investor Trust, Principal Funds, uh, Fidelity, both of them, um, which I'm aware of and how much they invested. Look at Vanguard; they have value over $8 million, or and combined, you're looking about $18 million of share value of holding value of shares it have, and it's over 2.1%, roughly about 4% on just for Vanguard as an inside investor on Skywater Technology. The ones I just marked it, this inside buyers in the hedge funds is known as, they are not small company. They are big dogs. Big dogs like to go where they know where the money is to make money out of it. Couple more things. Earnings is coming up, and I'm excited. One of the reason is why I'm excited, because they are on the comparing from the third quarter 2023 to the fourth quarter closing. It just looks good. It looks great on the financial earnings, and we're gonna see a lot of momentum coming up. It is, mark your calendar, folks, February 26th. It is the earnings coming up. Earnings coming up, folks, on 26th. So we're gonna see a lot of movement, a lot of updates coming on this company in terms of their growth level. What are the new projects they have done? Which are the contracts they have secured, especially from the defense. Um, and I'm excited. I'm excited about it. Analysts have four rating by a strong buy based on only just four from four analysis. One more thing before we jump in right to the technical side is Skywater's couple thing on this one was the shares got sold. Why I have not invested in the beginning of it last year? Because some of them the top ones were selling. Actually, you see that a lot of investors sold of about $4 million, and that pulled the stock price down. And we'll talk on the technical side, and there was major on that. But we did have some buys in, but it was nothing that caught my attention. Why? Let's start jumping in. But when I compare to the hedge funds, which I'm very keen on that, it has that. It has the value on that because insiders, they have 83.9%. Mutual funds is 6.4%. Well, let's jump in on the talk on the technical side. How we doing today? We can clearly see that, and I'm going to make my chart a little bit easier for you guys to look at it to make sure it doesn't give you guys a lot of confusion. Kind of opened up market around $9, and we're sitting at right now about 2.92% of the 26 cents on that. But look at 5 days, guys. 5 days. Win low of $8.52. Definitely missed that run. I didn't jump in yet during that time, but I did jump in around at $8.90. Why did I do that? Right, I was waiting for some confirmation, and here is my confirmation that I'm talking about. Well, we've been trading on this pink line, right? On my chart, you'll see the pink line is my 200-day EMA, and my purple line is my 60-day EMA. So I was waiting for a nice entry point to enter because I was holding it time and time. And once the day kind of broke through and came back and acted as a massive support, this is where I jumped in on that. But on the year to date, this was the breaking point because we had this purple line which should be trading above if it's a indication for an uptrend when they had a crossover. When I saw this crossover right over here, that was a confirmation it is an uptrend. What it's doing right now, it is creating a bull flag. Sorry guys for my having all this my uh patterns and everything ready. This is how I trade based on these patterns, and look what I look for it in terms when is my entry point, and it could be when also my exit point if I see a downtrend pattern. But what it has done is created a bull flag. Definitely missed that run from last year. Just back in November, it was this stock was sitting at $4.73 right now. But I didn't invest that because I was waiting some sort of confirmation to do that, and the confirmation came over here, and it's just if you look at it, it is just a bull flag right here, declaring a bull flag, bull flag, bull flag on the year-to-date chart, and the high, right? If you go back all the way, this stock on the five when it opened up in 2021 from IPO, it went high of $38.50 and kind of sell off, went high again, back tested at $20, and kind of had the kind of flat high and lows, still a downtrend. Don't take me wrong, it is still a downtrend, right? But we never broke off our moving average. Look at it, folks. We did came back to high of 20, all the way came back again to $12, and our pink line was acting as a massive, massive resistance time and time, right? You can clearly see went from low dollars to high, we came back low again at $6, acted as a then acted as a support. We broke through again, rejected right here. Clearly got rejected on my pink right here. That is my 200 EMA. Got rejected. Got rejected. Now, when I saw this crossover is very important because once you see this crossover, it's a moving average converted diligence. It's called a MACD, right? And he had the crossover. It is a confirmation for an uptrend coming because look at RSI. It's sitting in the middle, still pointing up there. The sellers who's locked their profit, I don't blame them. I would have done the same thing. And still in the MACD is high means there's a lot of room to run. Overflow for today and past that, we'll see people have been locking profits, so there's nothing wrong with that. But the inflow was higher than outflow, which is you always want to see that. A couple of large orders went in to push the price up today. Still doing at $9.50. We still have about 1.5 hour left for the market to close, and this is great, folks. This is so great right now because it is has proven its time and time where our pink day is going to be a massive support, right? So, couple things to look at it. I'm gonna quickly go on a 3-month chart. I think let's go back to 6 months because 6 months we want to see our next resistance level is going to be because we are trading below above our moving average. So the next one is definitely is going to be $10.05. You can clearly see that it got rejected right here, acted as a support, right? Sorry, acted as a support. Yes, acted as a support, acted as a resistance. Massive resistance and support gains right here, got rejected twice, back in right here, and last in right in December, like nearly just a month from now, got rejected again on the couple days ago at $10.05. So it is going to be keep an eye. $10.05 is going to be the next resistance level, and the next one we're going to look at it, which I have to go all the way to the year to date because this is an uptrend. When you see this kind of formation, folks, oh my God, I don't want to miss it. And I know what I'm always investing on that. So I am want to make sure that I'm in putting my money where I feel comfortable on. So $11.96 because you can look at it right here, acted as a resistance, but there was a moving average on that, acted as a support right here, resistance, support, resistance. So the next level with two key levels is $10.05 and $11.96 for the Skywater technology. Do I see its stock go all the way to $36? Anything is possible. But then the next one we're definitely going to look at it, which is going to be right up here at $14.60, which is going to be one of the three resistance to break. Earnings coming up. Looks great. Crossover is there. Oh boy, buckle up. Fasten your seatbelt. That we are about to go on the joyride if you are a bull. If you are a bear, the earnings can pull it back with unactive noise, right? Right. And then bad news can do that. But crossover, confirmation, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Thank you for watching my channel. I appreciate it. I'm the member of the Skywater Technology now, and I'm excited. I love it what I see. I've been watching this stock. I've did many times on the day trade on this stock. Um, and never get an opportunity where I always definitely miss a lot good runs. You can clearly see I missed it over here, but I didn't have any confirmation. I didn't want to invest my money where I don't see a confirmation on the more growth on this. I always believe in the growth of the company, but I also go on the technical side of the chart, which I needed somewhere where I can invest on it and be assured that it is an uptrend for the measurable profit. Hey folks, thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate it. This is doing the video during the live because I'm excited. I'm pumped. So stay tuned for more videos. I'll be doing about 3 videos in a week on how we're doing on Skywater. Innings coming up. I'm going to do a breakdown on innings, prior to the innings, post innings. All the news is coming in. I'm not going away with Skywater. It's always been in my radar. Now I'm invested. I'm excited, and I'm going to be part of the family on the Skywater Technology investment team. Right. So thank you, and have a wonderful weekend.